In this video, I want to show you how to change how much time it takes for your iPhone to lock the screen. By default, it's not much, and sometimes it's quite frustrating because you let the phone on your table and yeah, it locks and you have to unlock it every time. Go into the settings to change that. Go down and you're gonna go right over here where you see display and brightness. You're gonna go down, go down this menu where you see auto lock. You're gonna tap on this and you're gonna have over here the choice between 30 seconds, this is by default, and up to never. So if you choose never, obviously this means that if you forget your phone turned on, okay, with the display turned on without touching the power button, it will drain your battery completely. And many people don't want that, so you can choose 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, I mean anything you want. And once you're done, well, you can simply go back and start using your phone, and it will not go in lock mode until the timer has ended. So this is it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.